How can you understand microbial pathogenesis in medical microbiology? Have you ever wondered how tiny organisms can cause such significant illness in humans? Understanding microbial pathogenesis is key to grasping how diseases develop. In medical microbiology, this study focuses on how microorganisms lead to disease in their hosts. To get started, you will learn about infection and disease. Infection happens when a microorganism takes hold in the host, while disease occurs when the microbe or its products harm the host's functions. First, let's talk about pathogenicity and virulence. Pathogenicity refers to a microbe's ability to cause disease. Virulence, on the other hand, measures how severe that disease is or how well the microbe invades the host's tissues. This distinction is essential for understanding the impact of different microbes. Next, consider how microbes enter the body. They can enter through various routes, such as the respiratory tract, skin, or mucous membranes. Once inside, they need to adhere to and colonize host tissues. This process often involves structures called adhesins, which help the microbes stick to the host. Virulence factors are another important concept. These are molecules that microbes produce to invade the host, dodge the immune system, and cause damage. Examples include toxins and enzymes that can break down host defenses. Knowing these factors helps you understand how infections develop. The interaction between the host and the microbe is complex. The damage response framework shows that both the microbe's actions and the host's immune response contribute to tissue damage and disease. Learning how the immune system detects infections is crucial. This includes how immune cells are activated and how signaling molecules, like cytokines and chemokines, are produced. Not every interaction between a host and a microbe leads to disease. Some relationships are mutualistic or commensal. Understanding when a microbe becomes pathogenic is vital. Factors like the host's immune status and the microbe's genetic traits can influence this. In medical school, these concepts are tied to real-world examples. For instance, knowing how microbes adhere and produce toxins helps explain why certain infections affect specific tissues. This knowledge is crucial for diagnosing and treating infections effectively. You will also learn practical laboratory techniques to identify pathogens. Understanding how microbes resist treatment is essential for managing infections. Additionally, recognizing the role of host factors, such as genetics and immunity, is important for understanding disease susceptibility. In your first and second years of medical school, grasping these concepts will lay the groundwork for your future studies and clinical practice. Understanding microbial pathogenesis is not just about memorizing facts. It's about connecting the dots between microorganisms, host responses, and disease outcomes. This foundation will serve you well as you progress through your medical education and into your career.